Good evening. Today we have completed while loop. Now let's go for loop. I'll complete the class within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Don't worry. I don't know whether you can able to see my screen or you can hear me or not. Yeah. The for loop now. We know while we'll execute until the condition becomes false. Let's see how for loop will execute for I in range of 1, 10 print. Let's see the output. You got output from 1 to 9. For loop will have range, okay, and I have given 1 to 10, but I got only 1 to 9 because for loop the range will not consider upper bound. That means it will not consider 10, it will consider 9. Okay. For example, if I take this as an unknown number like a variable x, y, or z, we have to give z minus z plus 1 or n plus 1 like that. Okay. I'll show you. Here, if you want to get the output up to the given number, then you have to take plus 1 here, num plus 1. Then you will get 1 to 10. If you take only num, we know it will not consider the upper bound, so you will get up to 9. Okay. And if you don't give any, if you give only one number, then it will consider from 0 to 10. Okay. If I give one bound, it is called start, end, and you have another parameter called step. Here you can use step. If you give 100, you get 1, and after 2 steps, it will go to 3, 4, the 5. On the second step, you will get the output. If you give 3, you will have 2 numbers gap in between each number. Okay, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12. Like that, the 2 numbers will get removed. Okay, between the numbers. Okay. like this, we will get the values in sequence. Now I'll show you how to get values from the list. Just see, observe the code. Observe the code here. Okay. Now I'll show you how to get values from a collection. I mean list. Okay, we have not entered into collections. So just I will explain you how we can get data from the list. Okay. I have a list. For I in li print I. Okay, I means nothing but each and every element of that list. I'll get each and every element in sequence. Like this also you can get the data. Someone join the class. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, like this you can get the data from the list. Okay. And also before we have seen uh, uh, values are coming in sequence, right? Now I'll show you how to get values, how to get even and odd numbers like that by using for loop. For I in a range of, I want to get values from 1 to 100. So I have to take one of them. Okay. If my I modulus 2 is equal to 0, it is nothing but reminder. I'll print that I. Okay. That's it. Now you will get all even numbers. You will get all even numbers. If it is not equal, then you will get all odd numbers. That's it. Even and odd. If you want prime numbers, you can also get prime numbers. I'll try to get prime numbers. I mean, or else I'll try to get divisors. Okay. Okay. We have to take another for loop also. One for loop in another for loop. You will get confused. Okay. I'll go with this list. Okay. I want to find uh, even numbers in this list. In the same way, how we find even numbers in range, the same way from list also we can get even numbers. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, then I'll print that I. Okay, I'll give some random numbers. Like I got even numbers from my list. Okay. You can observe the code. I think all of you have knowledge on Python. If you have any notes, just ping me, okay? Uh, that's all about for loop. Okay. In tomorrow's class, I'll start data structures. If anyone listening the recordings, please try to be in the class. Okay, without a single person, how a person can tell a class? Just think. Okay. Even we are trying to say class, even if there is no one in the class. Okay. You have to understand. Okay. Okay. If anyone is listening recording, please try to attend the class. Without a single person, we can't process the classes. Okay. Okay.